Today we're assigning core principles for regulating the United States financial system. Doesn't get much bigger than that, right? Thank you very much. Would you like to explain?
My baby.
Why don't you explain this?
What we're doing is we are returning to the American people, low and middle income investors and retirees, their control over their own retirement savings. This is about Main Street, and it's been a labor of love for me for over 4 years. I'm the chairman, and I have had this is a big day, a big moment for Americans that care to invest and save.
And she means that so much. Chairman, I think we should hand the pen to this very special person. Do we?
Absolutely, Mr. President.
Thank
She
you.
earned it. She earned it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm grateful.
Thank you, Mr. President.